Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. I am going to show you a quick and easy, great Christmas cookie. It is made with red velvet. So, let me show you the ingredients and then we'll get started, okay? Be right back. Okay, of course, you start off with a super moist, Betty Crocker's super moist red velvet cake, 2 eggs, half a cup of butter, it's going to be melted, white chocolate chips, Heath bar, chocolate toffees, bits, and some green sprinkles. So, let's get started, and I'll show you how to do it. Like I said, it's quick, easy. If you have a last minute dessert you need to make, this is a big hit. Okay, we're going to start off adding all the ingredients to mix this up. And then I'm going to just mix it, add the half a bag of white chips and a half bag of toffee chips. And then we'll go from there. In the meantime, enjoy the music. Okay, just take your cookie scoop and drop them down. So let's get some music while I do all this. How's that sound? Go for it. Okay, put this in the oven at 350 degrees between 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it because it is red velvet. It will burn if you don't watch it. All right, be back in a few. And how you know they're done? When they start cracking like this. All right, while it's hot, sprinkle the sprinkles on it. And they're not sticking. Not right now. I should have put it on right before it was done. It's just that this would burn. Oh, this is just not working out for me today. Have you ever had one of those days? Oh, hell with it. Half of it's got grease sprinkles, the other half doesn't. Try to put it on before the tops get crispy. Yeah. See, again, practice what you preach, Saucy. Gotta keep an eye on these. They got done real fast. And this was about 10 minutes. I would say no more than 8 to 9 minutes now. That also depends on your oven. Hold on, be right back. Okay, again, practice what I preach, right? Okay, gotta keep an eye on it. I'm sorry, Mother Nature called me. I had to run. So I come back. They were done. And I'm sorry, Mother Nature, when she calls, you answer her first. All right, you gotta let them cool. I'm not going to taste test these. I've tasted them before. They are wonderful. It's just I'm going to be tasting a lot of sugar desserts here. And I'm trying to watch my sugar intake. And I've already ate more than enough for my body. Oh, God. Okay, people. If you're new to my channel and you want to see more screw-ups, hey, I'm real. Now, you want to see some real cooking without all that fancy editing and the fancy cooking and the fancy this, and you see some real cooking, subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell, and then you can do that thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, introduce yourself, and we'll have some fun. Alright, people, for everybody else, you have been great in supporting this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, I'm almost soon to 1,000 subscribers. So let's keep sharing these videos, and let's get me up to 1,000. And plus, I think I got about between 400 and 500 view hours, and I could do it live from the boat. Wouldn't you like to see that? Share, share, share. Get everybody, get over here. All right, people. Love you to death. I'll see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Till then, bye-bye.